So right from the beginning though, timber, mass engineered timber was the decision that you would use the majority timber for the whole job.
Exactly. I mean, the whole point of this project is actually, it is required to use mass engineered timber for the majority of the components here. So as you see, the first level and the second level is all MET.
Okay.
Combination of glulam and CLT.
Okay.
And the basement you have other conventional materials such as concrete, steel, etc.
Okay.
You have 25 frames for this particular building. Each and every frame consists of 3 components: glulam columns and 1 glulam beam. They're all different.
Okay.
So you need to design each and every connection in a very specific manner, and each and every connection is different and they are identical to each connection. So our engineers spend a lot of time fine-tuning the connection yet to meet the architect design intention, because that's very important. We have to deliver what client required in terms of the aesthetic look, and we managed to make it happen. And not to mention, this is also the very first project in Singapore to use this highly efficient connection system called gyros, which are concealed connectors. We installed it in the factory in the Europe, delivered to Singapore, and installed it on site. Yeah, I mean, we had a lot of challenges.
The work site.
Yeah, and Ken, as you know, this is probably, I mean, we don't have any official information, but based on our research we have done so far, this is the most complex timber building across Asia, mainly due to the complexity of the structure and the design concern. So we're proud to say that we managed to deliver this kind of highly complex yet beautiful structure in Singapore for the owner, People Association.
So it's a collaborative effort that we have put in for this project. Yeah, we are not working autonomously. We are working together as a team.
Right.
You look at this building, it couldn't be any more unique.
Yeah.
I don't think there's another building in the world that looks the same as this.
Right.
So, you know, when you're making those sorts of statements, then I think it's really important that the material can work in a way that can create unique forms. So, you know, one of the key attributes of mass engineered timbers, of course, primarily it's very sustainable and it's productive, but it does have the ability to be able to build very unique forms. And you know, although a lot of engineering challenges, of course, we're looking at off-axis and cantilevers and all sorts of techniques to brace, special concealed connections and so forth.
Now we move on to this structure here in Bedok Reservoir, which is going to be used as a water sports center here. And in this form, it's a geometrical challenge. We have 25 frames here, some as high as 12 meters high, all of them heavy components in the 11-13 ton category. And every one of these frames, inverted U's, every one is different. Every component is different because of the geometric shape.
Because I see, and I've met many women who are architects, engineers, people working in the industry. So this has been quite a recent trend. I'd say the last 10 years we've seen quite a remarkable shift. And this is happening internationally as well. I think you appreciate this, that you're seeing it in other parts of the world.
Actually, I think nowadays, as Joey mentioned, I mean, the world is more open to don't classify some jobs, especially for women. But nowadays we are moving towards a future where the women are also having very important roles within, not only to be the mothers, but also to have like a high jobs, like very important jobs. And I mean, it's very nice to see that change. Like now the generations are more open, not to always put the woman as a weak person or as a, no, I mean, nowadays we are trying to move to teach the generations to be more aware of this, that everybody has the equal rights and everybody has the same capacities, same qualities to do the same jobs as any other person. I mean, not only for a guy's job like before. So I'm very pleased to see these generations are trying to move forward, and of course it's also good for the society. I mean, it's good for everybody, because then we can try to make a better world, not only from the man's side, but also from the woman.